Welcome to Maths online class. I am Mrs. Kavita Jairaj. Today we are going to revise chapter 1 numbers.
Heading is successor. What is successor? The number that comes just after a number is called successor. It's successor. For example, we'll take 27. So what is the successor of 27? The number just come after 27 is a successor of 27. Or you can also add 1 to find the successor. So 27 plus 1, 7 plus 1 is 8 and 2. So successor of 27 is 28. Now for example, we'll take 3246. So what will be the successor of 3246? What I told you, we can add 1. So let's add 1 here. 6 plus 1 is 7. 4, 2 and 3. So successor of 3246 will be 3247. Understood?
Next is predecessor. The number that comes just before a number is called its predecessor. We can obtain it by subtracting 1 from the given number. For example, 30. So, how to find the predecessor of 30? We can subtract 1. 0 minus 1 is not possible, so we'll take 1 here. 10 minus 1 is 9. Here 2. So predecessor of 30 is 29. Right? Children, we already know about place value. Ones place, tens place and 100 place. We extend that to 1000 place. We shall denote it by TH. 1000 by TH. Capital T and small h. Let us take one example to understand. Move from right to left 1 digit at a time. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So, place of 3 is 1000, 2, 100, 1, tens and 5 ones. Understood? Let us see one example. 4253. So here, what is the place value of 5? Ones, tens. So here, place is 10. But the place value is 50. 5 into 10. So, place value is 50. Similarly, place value of 4. If the question is place of 4, then we will write 1000. But here they are asking for place value. So, 4 into 1000. 4000. Similarly, place value of 2 is 200. Understood? Children, next is abacus. Now, here see 2 questions are there. 1A, 7214. Now, what is abacus? An abacus is a counting tool where we use 4 pin for 4-digit number to show the numerals. Understood? 4-digit numbers, numerals we will show with the help of 4 pins. Now, here the question is 7240. So, how I will show this on abacus? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. These are the 4 pins. So, how many beads are there on the 1000th position? 7. So, we will make 7 beads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now on 100 place, what number is there? 2. So how many beads? 2 beads. 1 and 2. Tens place, number is 1. So only 1 bead. Then ones place, 4. So we will make 4 beads. Seven, 2, 1, 4. Okay. Now how to read the number? If it's already, beads are already given, how you will write the number and read it? See, again, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So, fourth pin, which is 1000th pin, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3. So, we will write 3 here. Then, on 100th place, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In tens place, no beads are there. So, we will write 0. And ones place, 4 beads are there. So, the number is 3604. Understood? Next is comparison of numbers. In class 2, we read how to compare 2 or 3 digit numbers. Here we shall extend our knowledge up to 4 digit numbers. If 2 numbers are given, then there are 2 possibilities. First is when the 2 numbers have different numbers of digits. Like here. Here 2 digit, here the number is of 3 digit. So in such case, the number with more digits is greater than the number with the less digits. So 243 is the greater number than 27. Again, same, here it is 3 digit number, this is 4 digit number. So the number with greater digits is greater number. So 5210 is the greater than 421. Next is comparison of numbers. In class 2, we read how to compare 2 or 3 digit numbers. Here, we shall extend it to 4 digit numbers. If 2 numbers are given, then there are 2 possibilities. First, when the 2 numbers have different numbers of digits. The number with more digits is greater than the number with less digits. For example, here 2719 and 985. This is 3 digit number, this is 4 digit number. So the number with greater digits are greater number. So here 2719 is greater than 985. Second possibility is when the 2 numbers have the same numbers of digits. Here also 4 digit, here also 4 digit. To compare such numbers, we proceed with the leftmost place in both the numbers. So here 2 and 2, both are same. If they are equal, then we compare the second digit. 7, 7. Again they are equal, we compare the next digit. 1, 2. So 1 and 2. Which number is greater here? 2. So therefore, this whole number is greater than this number. Understood how to compare? Like this only, children, we compare the numbers and arrange them in ascending and descending order. So when we have to arrange it ascending order, we write from smallest number to the biggest. And when we arrange descending order, from greater number or the biggest number to the smallest one. Like this we arrange the numbers.
So what I told you how to arrange. First we compare, and for ascending order we write the smallest number, then the bigger, and then the biggest one. Similarly, when we arrange descending order, we write the biggest number or the greatest number, and then the next number smaller than that, and then the smallest number. Let us understand with the example. So here 3261, 5219 and 4025. So the smallest number is 3261. So we will write the smallest first. Then 4025. And last number will be 5219. So this is the ascending order. Similarly, in descending order, if I want to arrange, what we'll do? We'll write the biggest number first, that is 5219, then 4025, and the last is 3261. Clear? How to arrange ascending and descending order? So children, here we completed our revision of chapter 1 numbers. What all things we covered? Successor and predecessor, then place value, abacus, and comparison of numbers. All the exercise given in your book, please do it as a practice at home and be prepared for your examination. Also children, you have to by heart the tables from 2 to 15. Clear? I hope you all have understood what I have taught you today. Do practice at home and submit the correct assignment on eLearn portal. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much.